Hi, my name is Rob. This is one of my Kawasaki AR50s. I've got a collection of them. I'm selling a few bikes at the moment. You can see another one that I have over there that I'll be selling, and if you look at that, that will be on my other items. That is a brand new and registered AR80. So getting back to this bike, this is a 1990, 2,200 genuine miles. I fully rebuilt it. I've built about 6 or 7 of these up over the last 15 years. Every nut and bolt has been changed or swapped. It has had a full engine rebuild by Bdk Race engineering in Norfolk. Full brand new all-speed exhaust. Every nut and bolt, as I say, it has had a full restoration. Brand new tyres. You can even see the stickers still on the tyres. It's been upgraded to a 93cc with a 6-speed uprated engine gearbox with a heavy duty clutch, 21mm Dill Auto carb, and I've had it done so it's not too tuned, so it's really nice to ride. You don't have to change down the gearbox all the time and thrash it. It rides lovely, and that's how I wanted it doing. I've absolutely replaced everything on it, from cables, all genuine. All the stuff I got, luckily I got a long time ago when you could still get hold of this stuff, sort of 10-12 years ago. Everything's genuine Kawasaki on the other parts. New wheel bearings, new head bearings, brake shoes, pads, wheel bearings, tyres and inner tubes. I've had a lot of custom stuff made as well, but I have got all the original Kawasaki NOS parts that I took off it, which I'll show you in a minute. So I've got the original exhaust, all the original nuts and bolts. I've got the original head and barrel and carburetor, exhaust. So I've got all that as well. Plus I had a lot of custom made stainless steel done to future proof it so that it would remain immaculate for many years to come. I'm only selling it and a couple of the other bikes because I bought a classic car and I need to make room in the garage. And if I can't sell them, I'm going to get them put in storage because they'll only appreciate. As I say, I've got a collection of about 6 AR50s and 80s. As I say, I've spent a very long time doing them up over the years. I'm also a member of the AR Owners Group, so hopefully if anyone buys this, hopefully they'll end up joining that and end up going on the ride outs with us. It'd be nice to see it again. I'm going to start the bike now. Hear the all speed, hopefully that brings back a few memories. It's been dyno tuned as well. Everything was set up professionally. It cost me £1,800 just for the engine alone to be done. The exhausts, I had to get 6 made from Gibson Exhaust. They made a batch of them again and they were £395 each. The tyres were about 160 quid for the pair because I've gone for oversized tyres, as wide as we could get on the rims with brand new tubes. New springs, new suspension, bushings. I've even had those made in stainless steel, which I'll show you in a second. A little bit of smoke because I've put some extra engine oil in the tank as it's not been running. It's done about 4 miles since I got it back from the rebuild, so I wanted to run a tank full of fuel through it with a bit of extra oil, as it's a brand new engine in essence. So I'll just show you the original parts. You can see a few of my other bikes. You can see it's very cramped, that's why I'm looking to sell a few of the bikes. Here's some of the original stuff. I've got bags of stuff over there, I'm not going to get everything out. I even had these manufactured in stainless steel, all genuine style, even down to the suspension top bolts, because you polish them up and they just corrode. So I had these made, manufactured again in stainless steel. Even the little oil tank cover, so no expense has been spared, and I had to do it for, let's say, the 6 bikes, so I was getting batches done of parts. I didn't want to go for the drab olive look as original. I wanted to have that sort of slightly shinier look to go with the exhaust, as we used to do with kids and put the Allen key sets in. You probably remember that. So check out the photos and check out my other items. Also, oh yes, one last thing, here's the paperwork. It's a one previous owner. There's myself and one owner before that. Original service book and manual, that is the original one, and it's done 2,200 miles. I've even got the original bill of sale that ties up with the service book. It really is an absolutely mint bike, nut and bolt perfect, plus all the original bits. And what I'm asking for it, I don't believe, well, I know you couldn't with what I've spent on the bike and hours, hundreds of hours alone over the years, you couldn't get that bike to that standard for anywhere near that price. Thank you.